This is our 36-inch RAPOL floor turntable. Also can be used as a welding positioner. It's got 1,500 pound capacity. It's got a foot pedal to operate the table, forward and reverse. It's got a console control. The machine is 3/4 horse, 115 volt AC. That's converted to a DC drive to get your variable table speeds, which are from 0.06 to 3 RPM. We'll bring it on now for you. Going forward. Slowest position. Bring it up. Going reverse. We purchased this table from a local company, and they said they really didn't use it. They had bought it for a job that didn't pan out. So this is our 1,500 pound RAPOL floor type table. Thank you for watching our video.